Hello guys and welcome to my channel Crafting My Way. Today I will be doing a quick easy DIY with these little boards that I had in my stash, and one I just got from the Dollar Tree. And this is my apple barrel lemon and sunburst and black paint that I got from Walmart. And the wood plaque I got, as I say, from the Dollar Tree. I want to paint it yellow, in which I've been doing a lot of the checkerboard black and white with the yellow for my summer decor, and I'm really loving those colors together. So these are two little simple little small or three rather little boards that I'm going to add to my tier tray. And sometimes we have things in our stash from before that we can use and put together. So I'm going to paint this yellow after I glued the little half beads that I got from Amazon, which I will have that in my description below as well. So I'm going to just glue the half beads to the wood plaque, and from that I'm going to paint it yellow, and then I will print up the word summer from my Cricut machine and add to the plaque as well. So I'm just going to start gluing down my beads to my board. And it's just something that's really simple and turn out really cute. And sometimes that's all it be, some simple little things and everything come out, just the way you want it. So I decided this is something that I will use for my tier tray. And you can put it anywhere you want to in your home. And I would like to know what colors or themes, if you guys have one, that you're going to be doing your home with this summer. If you let me know in the description below, I would really love to hear that from you guys. So um, so I just asking everyone to please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so every time I upload a video, YouTube will notify you, and I really would appreciate that as well. So right here, I'm just finishing up the beads, and then I will begin to paint and add my word summer to the wood plaque board here. And when you're doing little small things with the hot glue gun, you have to be very careful because it is hot, and it does get very hot with this. Okay, right here I'm painting the board, and as I said, I'm going to add the word summer to the board once it get dry from my Cricut machine. And I'm gonna add the word summer and use black paint, I mean the black vinyl for this to keep up with my yellow and black checkerboard decor that I'm going with. I'm really, as I said, enjoying those colors. And right here, I start with the other board here. I had such a hard time with taking the paper. I wasn't going to remove the paper, just some of the glitter. But when I started to remove the little metal piece there, then some of the paper came up. So then I had to kind of take it off. I ended up using a glue gun um, and everything, trying to sand it. But eventually, I do get it off, and I'm going to paint this one, which I had in my stash a while back, and I'm going to paint it black and then add my, words to that, which, as I said, I've been enjoying these colors. They really enhance each other, the black and white and the yellow. I just love it. And I'm using some of my lemon theme from last year. So I did end up using, as I said, the heat, the heat gun. I'm sorry, to finish removing some of the paper off of here. Um, so it don't take long. As I said, it's a very quick, simple project, something that's really nice and simple that, can go in your tier tray, whatever you would like to add it to. So I really enjoyed the colors, as I said, anyway. So, and all of my supplies will be um, having in my description box below. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Crafting My Way. I really would appreciate that. And I just love you guys so much for being supportive. And here, like I said, I like the black here, and I'm gonna, add a little yellow writing to it. I think I put lemon, end up putting the word lemon on this particular tray. So, I mean, this board. And it's a stash. I got this from my stash that I had. I don't know how long I've had it, but sometime if we just go through our stash, we'll be surprised what we do have in there. And right here is the other board. It's a little lighter yellow than what I wanted, but it works out fine. So I'm just going to add a few little black stripes to this, and then I will add either my lemon sign to this or just my bow. I think I just only end up putting my bow that I got from Amazon there. So here I'm just going to add the little black stripes in there. And like I said, I just really fell in love with these colors, and it just turns out just fine. And whenever we're doing our little stripes, we just want to make sure that our tape is down. You got it pressed down enough so that it don't bleed under for you. I have that problem as well. And so I just dried a little bit with my heat gun and then remove my tape. And then sometimes, when you do, you just have to go back over it. And that's what I did. And it ended up working out just fine. Something just quick and that don't take a very long time to do is what we're trying to do. And if you get a little black or whatever you call it, you can always go back in there and correct it. It's not a hard thing to do. Okay, and right here I'm using taking the word summer. I printed that out on from my Cricut machine, and I'm gonna place it on my yellow little board that I got, little plaque that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this, I will have this in the description. The transfer tape, the roller that is, it's called, I think the company's called Expression, and I got it from Amazon. So it turns out okay. Here, you just have to, sometimes it gets stuck. So I'm just pressing it and pulling it as I go, and it end up coming off just fine. And I will put it on my board, and it comes up that way also. And on the other one, I use the word lemon with a little small sign from a calendar. I added to that and a little flower. So, and this ended up still turning out nice, like I said, and I would place it on my fireplace, and then later put it on a tier tray is what I end up doing, putting it on my tier tray. And this is the finishing of my small little wood planks, and I thought it came out really, really nice. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.